Welcome back. The political heat in West Bengal is only intensifying. The election whistle has been blown and every contender is at the starting line. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has already hit the streets, leading protests over the LPG crisis. Within another day, the Trinamool Congress has released its full candidate list. TMC will be contesting 291 of the 294 seats and Mamata Banerjee herself will be taking on BJP's Suvendu Adhikari. The result will be out on 4th of May, but Didi is already predicting victory, claiming that her party will cross the 226 mark. But with confidence came a charge. Mamata Banerjee accused the Election Commission of India of playing a quote-unquote a nice game for the Bharatiya Janata Party, even saying that the poll body might as well campaign for the Saffron Party directly. What is the reason behind this charge? Well, the transfer of the senior police and the administrative officers. Mamata Banerjee has said that this is being done at the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party and it is meant to ease the flow of money and arms ahead of the crucial elections. Listen in to what she said.
তা খেলাটা বিজেপির কথায় মেঘের আড়াল থেকে কেন খেলছেন? সরাসরি খেলুন, দরকার হলে প্রচারে নামুন। যারা এলাকায় দুর্গাপুজো শান্তিতে করে, কালী পুজো শান্তিতে করে, ঈদ শান্তিতে করে, কেন দাঙ্গা লাগার কোনো অভিপ্রায় আছে নাকি? ঈদের আগে কেন সরালেন এদের সবাইকে?
Well, TMC chief earlier declared that her party would hit the Bharatiya Janata Party for a sixth this election, and it makes the cadres regret their choice of the party. The BJP has called a thinly veiled threat. Listen in.
अब तो तानाशाही खुलकर दिखा रही है टीएमसी के लोग, खासकर ममता बनर्जी। जिस प्रकार की धमकी उन्होंने बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ताओं को दी है, ये पहली बार नहीं है। अभी महुआ मोइत्रा ने बोला अगर आप टीएमसी में नहीं तो आप बंगाली नहीं। इससे पहले चुनाव आयोग संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को भी धमकी देने का काम टीएमसी के नेताओं ने दिया है। कोई बोलता है उंगली काट देंगे, कोई बोलता है हाथ काट देंगे, और हमने तो देखा है कि कैसे 300 से अधिक भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं को मौत के घाट उतारा है। पोस्ट पोल वायलेंस में किस प्रकार की हिंसा की गई, संदेश खाली में महिलाओं के साथ, SC/ST महिलाओं के साथ क्या किया गया। टीएमसी आज माँ माटी मानुष नहीं, केवल बाबरी बचाओ, बलात्कारी बचाओ और भारी बचाओ के चक्कर में माँ को, माटी को और मानुष को धमकी देती है।
For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Hridita, who's been tracking all the details from West Bengal. Good morning, Hridita. Mamata Banerjee has accused the Election Commission of India of playing quote-unquote a nice game for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Take us through the charge.
Well, absolutely, this is not for the first time that the Chief Minister of the state and the chairperson of stating this against the EC, but repeatedly since the process of SIR had begun in Bengal, she has been stating that EC is playing the cards as per the instructions of BJP. And yesterday as well, she has said that why is the EC playing the cards behind the clouds, which means why is it playing indirectly? It can directly campaign for BJP, and it can also, like she has also stated, that the CEC can actually contest himself as one of the candidates of BJP rather than playing indirect games. This is not only one of the charges, but then she has also stated that Bengal is again a soft target. It is critically targeting Bengal. It is an anti-Bengal formula that ECI is playing, and also not only that, but also an anti-woman formula that ECI is playing. They are soft targeting Bengal and Bengali women, and therefore so many administration changes have been seen. Majorly the CSS.
All right, so that's a big charge that is coming from West Bengal. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee ahead of the crucial elections there in the state. Thank you so much, Hridita, for getting us all those details. With this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.